In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now select Google. Tap on All Services. And when you're ready, scroll to access Autofill with Google section. Now click on Google Password Manager and select Add Password right away. If you can't do that, don't worry, you are not an only one. That's because you need to have at least one password to add any other one manually from here. So let's fix it by adding our first password. To do that, hit Settings at the bottom right corner and make sure Offer to Save Passwords is enabled. Then you can go back. You don't need to close your settings, just click on Home button and log in into any app that requires an account. After that, you will see this pop-up. Hit Save at the bottom right corner and go back to Settings to access Google Password Manager again. As you can see now, I can add password from here because my Facebook one was successfully added. So let's do it. Tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!